Settlers of Catan with Augustine Thomas. You now click on his profile. Augustine can click the type and change settings in his profile. You can also scroll down the page. He saves settings in his profile and goes back to the home page. He now clicks on multiplayer. He can now click on invite a player and type to enter another player's name to invite him to the game. He can choose whether to have AI players and then click to play the game. Before starting the game, Augustine must drag and drop objects onto the game board.
Ding. 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 Ding.
His victory points will now be updated to 2 because he has 2 houses on the game board. Now he can hit the drop-down menu to see a list of his building costs for each object.
Oh.
After the other player has placed down their settlements, now that all the settlements are placed on the game board, Augustine will gain resources from the settlements. And now he'll have the option to roll the dice and start the game. He clicks the roll button, and the last roll shows up in the top left-hand corner. Now that Augustine rolled, he gained a resource from his settlements. He now has a trade box that he can choose which player he wants to trade with if he wants to. Augustine will take 3 resources and put it in his cart and now has the option to place down a road. He will drag and drop the road and his resources will be taken out from the cart. Augustine will now end his turn by clicking the end turn button. The other player now rolled the dice and Augustine gained a resource. The other player has sent Augustine a trade request. He can either accept or decline. He chooses accept and now has a trading box that he can add resources to. He accepts the trade and trades out his resource for another resource. Augustine can hit the leaderboard button to check the leaderboard and see the other players' names and victory points. Augustine wins.
Yay.